In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Alibaba app not working. If the app is freezing, not loading pages, or failing at checkout, follow along as we move from the quickest checks to the deeper fixes. First, make sure the issue isn't on Alibaba's side. Open any web browser and try visiting alibaba.com. If the website also refuses to load, it's likely a temporary server or maintenance issue. In that case, wait about 10 to 30 minutes and try again before changing anything on your device. If the site loads normally, continue with the next steps. Now confirm your internet connection is stable. Toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. On your phone, switch airplane mode on for around 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network. If you're on home Wi-Fi, restart your router and let it fully reconnect. Slow or inconsistent internet is one of the most common reasons the app gets stuck on loading screens, so even moving closer to your router or stepping into a spot with stronger cellular signal can help. If the connection looks fine, close the app to clear a stuck session. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Alibaba, and tap Force Stop. Then reopen the app. On iPhone, open the app switcher, swipe the Alibaba app away to close it, and launch it again. This ends background processes that might be causing freezes or crashes. Android users can also clear the app's cache, which removes temporary files without touching your personal data. Go to Settings, Apps, Alibaba, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Reopen the app afterward. Avoid clearing data unless necessary, as that signs you out and can reset your preferences. Next, make sure the app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Alibaba, and tap Update if it's available. Updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that resolve login problems, blank screens, and unexpected crashes. If you use a VPN, private DNS, or an ad blocker, turn them off temporarily. These tools can interfere with secure connections, and Alibaba may restrict traffic routed through them. Disable the service, return to a normal network, and relaunch the app to test. If the app opens, but actions like search, messages, or checkout fail, log out and log back in. Go to your account section, choose logout, then sign in again to refresh your session token. As a last resort, reinstall the app. Uninstall Alibaba, restart your phone to clear residual files, reinstall it from the official App Store,